Hello and welcome back to Social Science 2 online class. Today, we will discuss India and the world, neighboring countries of India. India and the world. India occupies the greater parts of South Asia. It has a central location between the East and the West Asia. The Indian landmass is the southward extensions of the continent Asia. The Trans-Indian Ocean route, which connect the countries of Europe in the west and countries of East Asia, provide strategic central location in India. The Deccan Peninsula extends toward the Indian Ocean, helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coastal, with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. India has the longest coastline on the Indian Ocean as compared to the other countries. This eminent position is the reason which justifies the name of the Indian Ocean after the name of the country. India contact with the world. India contact with the world have continued through the ages, but its relationship through the land routes are much older than its maritime contact. The various passes across the mountain in the north have provided passes to the ancient traveler, while the ocean restricts such transactions. Now let's see why India contact with the world through land route is much older than its maritime. The reasons are: land routes have contributed to the exchange of ideas and commodities between India and the rest of the world from ancient time. The ideas of the Upanishad and the Ramayana, the story of the Panchtantra, Indian numerical and decimal system have reached many parts of the world. Not only that, Indian spices, muslins, and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. Many of the Greek sculptures and the architectural style of domes and mineral can be seen in many parts of the Indian influence from West Asia. Neighboring countries of India. India has an important strategic position in South Asia. It has 29 states and 7 union territories. India shares its land boundary with the following countries: Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Tibet, West Bengal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Two island countries like Sri Lanka and Maldives lies to the south of India across the Indian Ocean. All these countries are parts of the Indian subcontinent. India and Sri Lanka are separated by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pearl Strait and Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives lies to the south Lakshadweep. Thus, India has a strong geographical and historical link with its neighbor. End of chapter 1. India location and size.